Good evening, dear student. Coordinate geometry, chapter number 3. When two lines intersect each other at 90 degree. Here, number line we are discussing. So, horizontal line is said x-axis and vertical line it is said y-axis. Here, intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis it is said origin. Here it is denoted. Origin, its coordinates are O 0 0. Its coordinates are O 0 0. This is first quadrant. Here both coordinates are positive. This one is second quadrant. Here x coordinate is negative and y coordinate positive. This is third quadrant. Here x and y both quadrant are negative. And this is the fourth quadrant. Here plus minus, that means x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. If point lies on x axis, it is denoted as a0. That means on x axis y coordinate is always 0. If point lies on y axis, it is in the form of 0b. That means x coordinate on y axis is always 0. So it is in the form of 0b. In first quadrant, both coordinates are positive. In second quadrant, minus plus. That means x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, plus minus. That means x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. First quadrant is denoted as interior part of angle XOY, that is positive, both coordinates. Second coordinate, second quadrant, it is said interior of angle YOX dash. Here x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, it is denoted as interior of angle XOY dash. Both coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, it is denoted as interior part of angle YOX. Here, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Here, in graph, we are given points. We have to denote coordinates. Here in first quadrant, point A is there. Point A, its coordinate we can see from A perpendicular on x axis is 3 and on y axis is 6. So it is 3, 6. Here point E in the second quadrant. So its perpendicular on x axis is minus 3 and on y axis that is plus 4. G point lies in third quadrant. Both are negative. G, its x coordinate is minus 5 and y coordinate it is minus 4. Point C lies in fourth quadrant. X coordinate, as we see that plus 2 and y coordinate that is minus 5. Point F is on x axis. On x axis y coordinate 0. So 6, 0. Okay. Point D lies on y axis. On y axis x coordinate is always 0. So it is 0, 7. Point B lies on x-axis, so it is minus 4 0. Point H lies on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is always 0, so it is 0 minus 6.